Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can decrease or increase the preview image quality in Adobe Firefly text to image option. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the account and then we have to click on the text to image. So as you can see, I provided this prompt that create an image of the nature and it has given me the 4 samples. If you want to increase the more or the less sample, you can also get that. As you can see, Firefly 3 image preview. I want the Firefly 2 image preview. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you have to choose the size, that which size you want. And after that, if you want to change the prompt, you can also do that. Simply you have to provide the prompt. So I'm going to write the prompt like, and then simply as you can see now what we have to do, we have to click on the generate, and after clicking on the generate, it will generate the image according our prompt and given option. So let's wait. So as you can see now the images are generated. You can view them. As you can see, for example, I'm going to open this one. So as you can see, these all pictures are provided here. You can use anyone and you can use them, download them for your need. So in this way you can change the preview size. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.